One of the best exercises to actually strengthen some of those deep neck flexor muscles is neck retraction or chin tucks. So by neck retraction, what I mean is that you're taking your chin from here and you're literally sucking it back or pulling it back towards past neutral. You're holding that for about 2 or 3 seconds, then you let that go slightly. What that looks like from the side is, again, if I'm like this and I'm going to go and pull my chin back like that, so I'm literally pulling it straight back. I'm trying to make double chins basically. Pulling it back, I'm holding that again about 2 or 3 seconds, and then I let that go. You want to ideally do that about 25 repetitions, so 25 times, ideally about twice a day. Some people find it very difficult when they first start to actually isolate and feel this movement. To help with that process, it is sometimes easier to actually take our fingers and just feel what that movement feels like. So using our actual fingers to push our head back, again, holding that about 2 or 3 seconds, then just letting that go slightly, and then just pushing our head back. Now, you don't want to do that all the time. You just want to start doing that first, because ideally we want to be recruiting these deep neck flexor muscles to actually do that job for us, to actually strengthen them. The other issue is that sometimes when people do this, they tend to tilt their head back into hyperextension, or they tend to tilt their head back down into flexion. So when we're doing this, we want our chin staying relatively neutral. It sometimes tucks down just slightly, but it's literally just going straight back like this, trying to make that double chin, holding it for 2 or 3 seconds, letting it go slightly, doing it again, holding it for 2 or 3 seconds. The other issue that I sometimes see with patients is that when they come back from that retracted state, they tend to stick their chin out past neutral into that sort of chicken neck. We want to avoid that. So again, you're going from here 2 or 3 seconds and then just back towards neutral, and then just pulling back again, holding it for 2 or 3 seconds back to neutral, not exaggerating that motion, because we're trying to correct this posture. We do not want to be accentuating that movement with this exercise. This is a great exercise that you can literally do anywhere. So you can do it on the subway, you can do it in your car, you can do it at your computer, eating breakfast, anytime. It's a really easy exercise to incorporate into your everyday.